We're tracking a significant weather pattern developing across the U.S., so let's dive right into it. First up, an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms is looming over parts of the central Gulf Coast come Monday. This threat extends into Tuesday, with the southeast coast and southern mid-Atlantic also under a slight risk. The primary hazards? Frequent lightning, damaging wind gusts, hail, and a few tornadoes, especially in the central Gulf Coast where the threat of EF2 to EF5 tornadoes is heightened. A developing storm over the southern Rockies is on the move. By Tuesday evening, it's expected to reach the upper Great Lakes. As it progresses, it'll blanket the northern Intermountain region and parts of the southwest with snow. And for the central southern high plains and northern central plains, heavy snowfall. In fact, blizzard warnings are in effect for some areas through early Tuesday. Moisture surging northward means heavy rainfall for the central Gulf Coast. In fact, the Weather Prediction Center has issued a moderate risk of excessive rainfall for this region from Monday into Tuesday. The result? Flash flooding concerns and potential river flooding. As the storm shifts towards the upper Great Lakes, heavy snow continues its march across the middle upper Mississippi Valley. And for our friends in the Northeast? Snow begins to blanket parts of the region by Tuesday evening. By Tuesday, the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Southern Appalachians are under the gun for heavy rainfall. This brings with it a moderate risk of excessive rainfall, again raising concerns for flash flooding and river flooding. The severe thunderstorm threat does ease slightly on Tuesday as the warm sector shifts southeast. Parts of the southeast coast and southern mid-Atlantic remain under a slight risk. This means we still need to watch for those damaging winds, hail, and potential tornadoes. Now here's a look at some 7-day forecasts from across the country. Remember to stay weather aware and heed any warnings in your area. Thanks for watching Rogue News. You can find us on Roku, TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube.